was that? Oh, you got a good one there, I bet. Oh,
Come here, Bet.
She's got power now.
Betty, come color. Right here. Come here.
Amy's going to say, and who fixed her hair? And I'll say, Grandma did.
She's got crayons.
Watch out, watch out. Don't let her color.
Where are her crayons?
She dropped them.
No, they're grand.
No, she don't want to sit up there.
Ooh.
Just like the cat, watch out. She made Hey.
Boom.
Who's this?
Is that Daddy?
Come here, color, Betty.
Color
Come here.
nose.
Go ahead. No, go do some more. Let's see. Good. You do a good job. Oops.